Yes. So the next topic is spermatogenesis. So spermatogenesis is the process of formation of sperms in the male reproductive system. So spermatogenesis, how it take place? Spermatogonium. Spermatogonium are the cells of germinal epithelium of seminiferous tubules. So as we all know, testes functional units are seminiferous tubules. So their germinal epithelium consist of two type of cells, spermatocyte sperm forming cells and Sertoli cell. So those sperm forming cells, they are known as spermatogonium also. So these spermatogonium are basically diploid, since they are the part of a sporophytic body, so they are diploid. So they undergo mitosis. So when they undergo mitosis, so some cells, some spermatogonia, they remain as precursor stem cell only, and they again form the same spermatogonium. And some other half of the other cell, since one cell divide to form two cell, so you can understand it by कि when one cell divide to form two cell, so one daughter cell again form the same spermatogonium, and the other cell, it pushed away in the basement membrane and it differentiate into primary spermatocyte. So since this primary spermatocyte is formed as a result of mitosis, so it is also diploid in nature. So this primary spermatocyte then undergoes meiosis. This process is known as spermatogenesis. So as we all know that meiosis is divided into two parts, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. So as a result of meiosis 1, secondary spermatocyte forms. These secondary spermatocytes are haploid. By mistake, I have written here 2n, sorry. So these spermatocytes are haploid N, as I have already shown in the diagram, N. So these secondary spermatocytes are haploid. These spermatocytes don't detach completely, rather they are connected by a cytoplasmic bridge. These these secondary spermatocytes then again undergo in meiosis 2. As a result, four spermatids forms. So these four spermatids are haploids only, since they are formed as a result of meiosis, and all of them are connected with each other with the help of the cytoplasmic bridge. So the process of formation of spermatids by primary spermatocyte as a result of meiosis is known as spermatogenesis. Now these spermatids then uh, differentiate to form a typical spermatozoa or sperm. So they change their shapes and they take their typical shape of sperm. So this process of conversion of spermatids into spermatozoa is known as spermiogenesis, and this spermiogenesis takes place in the lumen of seminiferous tubules. So is it clear, everyone?